So one of the things that you can go ahead and do in DeepSeek is get a fitness and a workout plan as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say I am 55 kgs and I want to gain weight and be 65 in about 2 months. Give me a diet and exercise plan for it right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll take in that data and then will prepare you a diet and exercise plan accordingly as well. It is a good idea to consult your health professional before you actually follow, but you can see that you roughly get the idea on what you have to do in order to gain weight. So you can see that it says in the diet plan, it says to gain weight, you need to consume extra calories, like 500 to 700 extra calories per day. And then it says for most people, this means eating 2,500 to 3,000 calories daily. And then it breaks down your protein, carbs, and fats, and then gives you the meal right here, meal 2, meal 3, meal 4, and so forth, as you can see right here before bed as well. For exercise plan, you can see that there's the daily plan right here, just like this, which is still being generated, as you can see, just like this. And it gives you the tips for success, just like this as well. So that is how you can simply go ahead and get out a fitness, workout, and diet plan as you like as well inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.